A post-mortem report has revealed how slain Kiambu businessman George Mwangi met his death. He was hit severally with a blunt object by those who took his life.
Daktari amefanya utafiti wake na amesema Mwangi aligongwa kutoka nyuma na chuma ama na kitu brand na amegongwa mara kadhaa.
Chief Government Pathologist Johansen Oduor has revealed that Mwangi, a husband to Kiambu politician Gladys Chania, tried to defend himself from his killers. One of his hands had fractured fingers.
Daktari ametuambia amegongwa kichwa na hii kidole yake.
Mwangi's body was found dumped at Kieni Forest a few days after he was reported missing by his wife. The slain businessman's wife would later be arrested as a person of interest in the gruesome murder. Earlier, a row between Chania's children and Mwangi's family had erupted over who should be given access to the body for the burial. Later, the warring parties agreed to have representatives who will witness and sign removal of the body from the morgue amid calls for justice to the victim's family.
Tumejadiliana tukaona tumefikia wakati wa kupumzisha huyo mwili. Hakuna vita katikati ya pande ya Mwangi na pande ya Gladys. Sisi kama familia tutagojea uamuzi wa serikali, lakini tungesi serikali itupe justice.
This happened as Chania, Mwangi's wife of 20 years, alongside Morris Mbugua, a casual worker, remained behind bars for 7 days to allow investigators conclude the investigation into the alleged involvement in the murder of the victim.
Mambo imeendelea mzuri kutoka kwa daktari, DCI na nimepewa value permit ya kuzika Mwangi.
Mwangi, an engineer, was set to fly back to Rwanda, where he's been serving as a contractor. Timothy Simwa, K24, Evening Edition.